Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet neck warmer ideas, beautiful pattern, different cowl free ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. Beautiful ideas for modern girls, stylish young girls. All the designs are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting, variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Fabulous crocheting work. Handmade knitting pattern. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Most demanding collection, most wearing collection. Very nice. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas. Beautiful ideas. If you want to more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is front of you. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet neck warmer ideas. Very nice. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye. Please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. And please pray for me.